If you want to check battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy A27, then unfortunately there is no way to check that information by going to settings, for example, on this phone. There is no built-in option that allows you to check that information. What you can do now instead is you can go to the Play Store and you can simply search for an app that allows you to check that information. We can start searching and we can just type battery temperature, for example. And as you can see, we have many different apps that we can go through. You can just choose whichever you want to try. And let's say I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to use this app and I'm going to show you how to check the information based on this app, which is very, very simple and very straightforward. But if you don't like this app, just try anything else and I'm pretty sure you will be able to find something for yourself. Once we have the app ready to be used, then of course you want to open it. You might want to allow the app to send you notifications, although I don't think that's really necessary. And then over here we have the information about the temperature. You can also switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit if you want to. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.